Hey there, aspiring marketers. Today, I'm going to share with you the secret to affiliate marketing success. Imagine standing at the beginning of a vast, open landscape, a pathway stretching out before you, leading to a distant horizon where a radiant sunrise symbolizes new beginnings and endless possibilities. This is your journey. I started my journey just like you, full of dreams and aspirations, seeking the key to unlock my potential. The path was uncertain, and the destination seemed so far away. But let me tell you, it's all about taking that first step. Affiliate marketing is a world of opportunities. It's like finding a large, ornate key that can open doors to your dreams. The key lies in understanding and applying the right strategies. It's not just about promoting products. It's about creating value, building trust, and forming genuine connections with your audience. When I first started, I faced many challenges. There were times I felt like giving up, but I realized that each obstacle was a stepping stone toward my success. I learned to embrace the journey, to celebrate small victories, and to keep my eyes on the horizon. One crucial lesson I learned is to be authentic. People connect with real stories and genuine experiences. Share your journey, your struggles, and your triumphs. Let your audience see the real you. Another key to success is continuous learning. The landscape of affiliate marketing is always evolving. Stay curious, stay updated, and never stop growing. Now look at that sunrise again. It represents hope, triumph, and adventure. Unlock a world of adventure and excitement. Tap that subscribe button and enter thrilling new experiences with our amazing community. Dive headfirst into fun, forge unforgettable memories, and connect with fellow adventurers. Ready to feel the rush? Join us now and let the journey begin. Every new day is a chance to start fresh and move closer to your goals. Remember, the journey may be long and the path may be tough, but the rewards are worth it. Picture yourself standing at the end of that path, looking back at how far you've come. Feel the sense of accomplishment, the triumph of unlocking your potential. So take that first step today. Embrace the journey, cherish the learnings, and keep moving forward. Your success in affiliate marketing is just beyond the horizon. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's unlock our potential together and make our dreams a reality. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.